choices, including those about diet, do not stem from reason or knowledge, but rather from learning and training received from an early age. This is like a bakery clerk unconsciously acquiring the smell of cake, or how we naturally learn to speak our mother tongue. Our surroundings, parents, society, and culture constantly influence our perceptions, forming deep-seated views, also known as habits. These ingrained views dictate our choices. Even with food that we know is harmful, we struggle to break free due to habit, and may even find it enjoyable, as this feeling is the result of years of conditioning. Many nutritionists and experts, despite having correct knowledge, may also find it difficult to shake off the habits instilled in childhood. Therefore, the focus of this film is not merely to discuss diet, but to use diet as an entry point to expose the harm of incorrect views and how they lead us to unconsciously make self-destructive and self-harming choices. Our goal is to consciously reverse the faulty learning and training of the past few decades, using the correct views provided by science, and thereby make choices that are truly beneficial for our mind and body. Starting now, we will guide everyone to learn this step by step.
Brain Health Day, everyone. Welcome to this podcast episode brought to you by VitaChoice, Ltd. Let's have a yarn about a huge topic: how what we eat profoundly impacts our brain health. Dodgy eating habits are quietly fueling the rise of neurological diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and depression. Part 1. The invisible enemy, the pro-inflammatory diet. Think of a pro-inflammatory diet, often called the Western diet, as constantly triggering a low-grade inflammatory response. Say, small fire slowly burning your brain. What it looks like: it's packed with ultra-processed foods, saturated and trans fats like in fried foods and cream cakes, and excessive refined carbs and sugar like white bread and sugary drinks. It also lacks anti-inflammatory nutrients from fruits and veggies. How it damages your brain. 1. Inflammation. These foods activate your immune system to release factors that cross the blood-brain barrier, directly attacking brain cells and damaging neuron function. Point 2. Gut damage. It disrupts your gut-brain axis by unbalancing gut bacteria, which directly impacts brain health and mood regulation. 3. Oxidative stress. It produces rust agents called free radicals, which damage brain cells and accelerate neurodegenerative changes. Part 2. Real-world consequences case studies. Pro-inflammatory diets are the villain in specific diseases. Alzheimer's disease. A high-sugar diet acts like dodgy fuel, dumping rubbish proteins like amyloid beta that clog neural pathways and cause memory loss. Parkinson's disease. High saturated fat and cholesterol cause inflammation and oxidative stress, leading to a severe loss of dopamine neurons and worsening motor symptoms. Depression. People with the highest inflammatory diets have an increased risk of depression, since 90% of the happy neurotransmitter serotonin is made in the gut. An inflamed gut means mood naturally suffers. Multiple sclerosis. High-fat diets cause gut dysbiosis and can worsen MS symptoms. Part 3. The protectors anti-inflammatory. Eating the core principle is simple. Eat more whole, natural foods and less processed stuff. This includes the following protectors: colorful produce, berries, dark leafy greens, and broccoli are nature's antioxidant warehouses, protecting neurons. Quality fats. Extra virgin olive oil is a powerful anti-inflammatory. Oily fish like salmon provides omega-3 south, which have antidepressant effects. Whole grains, oats, and quinoa provide fiber that feeds beneficial gut bacteria. Fermented foods, yogurt, kimchi and miso provide probiotics that regulate the gut-brain axis. The best patterns, the Mediterranean diet, emphasizing produce, whole grains, and olive oil, and the DASH diet are associated with lower inflammatory markers and reduced disease risk. Part 4. Your action. Plan putting this into practice is the real deal. Here are some key changes. Clean out. Chuck out ultra-processed foods, chips, instant noodles, and switch from soft drinks to water or tea. Embrace color. Aim for at least 5 different colored fruits and veggies daily. Good. Fats. Cook with extra virgin olive oil and eat oily fish. 2 to 3 times weekly. Swap. Change white rice to brown. Rice and white bread to wholemeal. Bread. Simple tips for success. The 80-20 rule. Be good 80% of the time and relax the other 20%. This makes it sustainable. Take it slow. Introduce just one new healthy habit each week. Conclusion through smart dietary choices. We absolutely have the power to nourish our brains, protect our nerves, and maintain emotional health. Every decision at the dinner table is a vote for brain health. Let's win this battle for our brains with food. We'll see you next time.